Hello friends, how are you today? Good? I'm great, thank you. Are you ready to learn how to read and write? So in this series of classes called Reading and Writing, we are going to start learning how to read and how to write. And you know how? Come with me. So when you start school, like when your kids right in your age, or you already been in school, so we learn a lot of cool things, right? Very fun, interesting things. And we also meet our friends, our classmates, maybe our best friend, right? So cool to go to school. And there's so many cool books and stories that the teacher read to us. And at some point we start learning how to read, right? We also start learning how to write. Imagine if you know how to read and write, how many stories you can create. How many, you can even make a book if you want. You imagine? You write about it. Wouldn't that be cool? And one of the ways that we can do to learn how to read and write is by blending the letter sounds. When we blend, means that we put the sounds together. So we have one sound, two sounds. You put them together, you made up a word. It's like magic. So are you ready to read and write? So let's blend some sounds. But first, we need to remember, we need to review some of the letters of the alphabet and their sounds. More specifically, their sounds, the way they sound, because we're going to put the sounds together. Okay, you ready? So it's very important for you to repeat after me. All the sounds I make, you make. Okay? So remember, this way you're learning faster, better, and you're practicing your pronunciation. And in this case, you're learning how to read and how to write. So we're reviewing this letter. But that's not a letter. No, that's a snake. I'm reviewing that sound. Snake. Can you hear the sound when I say snake? You go. Snake. Very good. Yes. Right? This is a snake, as I've been telling you. And that's the sound you hear when I say snake, right? And this is the symbol or the letter that represents that sound, that makes that sound. When you use that letter, it sounds S in this case. Now, look again. S for snake, right? There are more words that start with this sound. Actually, there are many words that start with this sound. I'm going to put some pictures up here. What's that? So let's say it again. We have a strawberry, sunflower, star. Can you hear? Strawberry, sunflower, star. Good job. Now what's this? This is an apple. Can you say it? Apple. Apple. And that's the letter that sounds like a. Apple. Very good. Apple. And as the S, there are more words that start with this sound. Let's see some of them. I'm going to show you pictures up here that represent words with the A sound. Alligator. You repeat. Alligator. Ant. And astronaut. Alligator, ant, and astronaut. Very good. So now we have the S and the A, right? Oh, we have another one. What's that? Popcorn. This is popcorn. Popcorn. You hear? Popcorn. And that's the symbol, the letter that represents this sound. Popcorn. And there are many other words that start with that sound, with p, like pineapple, pencil, or pasta. Can you say it? Pineapple, pencil, pasta. Pineapple, pencil, pasta. P. So we have S, A, P. Those 3 sounds. What's that? We call it a top. This is a top. T, t, t. That's the sound. T, t. And there are more words that start with that sound. T, t, t. Right? So let's see some of them. That's a tomato. You repeat, tomato. That's a table. And that's a tiger. Tomato, table, tiger, top. T, t. Good. So now we have s, a, p, t. 4 sounds. S, a, p, t. What happens if we start putting those sounds together? We're soon gonna do that. Bear with me. Do you know what that is? It's written right there. It's an ink bottle. Ink bottle. Ink. And that's the symbol, the letter that makes that sound. You're always going to see the big letter and the small letter, or the capital letter and the lowercase letter. That's why you see 2 of the same always when I show you. And it sounds like I, right? So let's see other words, because there are more words that start with this sound. I. Can you repeat the sound? I. Very good. Now let's see some other words. I'm going to show you pictures that represent the words, okay? Insects. Igloo and iguana. Insects, igloo, iguana. I. Do you remember the other sounds we've seen? We started with the snake, right? So I have s, a, p, t, I. S, a, p, t, I. Good. Now let's see one more. Those are eggs, yes, but where they are in a nest. This is a nest. You see where my tongue goes? Behind my teeth. That's the sound of that letter up there. Remember to repeat. And there are more words that start with this sound. Let's see some of them. Remember, pictures that represent the words. Notebook. Numbers. Those are numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? The numbers. And a nurse. Notebook, numbers, nurse. And a nest.